Functions of management. First, we will list down the management functions. 1. Planning. 2. Decision-making. 3. Organizing. 4. Leading. 5. Motivation. 6. Controlling. Out of those 6 functions, we can identify 4 main functions. 1. Planning. Determining courses of action, decision-making. 2. Organizing. Coordinating activities and resources. 3. Leading. Managing, motivating and directing people. 4. Controlling. Monitoring and evaluating activities. These are most commonly using in the context and are called as primary functions. Functions of management is a systematic way of doing things. Management is a process to emphasize that all managers, irrespective of their aptitude or skill, engage in some interrelated functions to achieve their desired goals. If this video is useful to gain knowledge, please subscribe the channel for more, and click the bell icon.